Estate sale day.
Yeah, price except jewelry, yes.
Welcome back, friends. In today's video, we're gonna go do some estate sales, and let's get on the road and go see what we can find to flip online for a profit. Let's go. Blue curtains in there. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. $10. Needs to be repaired.
That's so cool.
I get it. Oh, those pictures are beautiful. Yeah. For $20. So it'll be 10. I don't know about that. See this wreath? It needs to be. Actually, I'm not gonna get it because it is not even sewn in it. So it's
Glued.
no, it's got those pins all in it, and I'm poking myself.
These are cute. Democracy.
Yeah. Huh? Mm-mm. That is so pretty, though. But it's not in great condition.
Oh, I like that. If it's a medium, isn't it pretty?
Mm-hmm. Well, this is a big old bathroom. Jack and Jill. Ooh, $24. Father James Discro. He's broken. This is pretty. $5 lampshades would be $2.50. I think I'll get that. Christopher Radko by Bell Point. $30. I don't know. I think I'll just hold on to this sweater. Maybe it's $30, and it'll be $15. But it is kind of stained. It's Christopher Radko by Bell Point. I didn't even know Christopher Radko made clothing, so I don't know. Alright, what is this? It's like a little wooden, like, picture thing. Save a turkey, eat chicken. Oh, these are pretty.
What do you think about these?
Oh yeah, those are cute.
Do you think they'd be too
No, those are perfect. Get them.
short?
Too short? I mean, they're not. They're coming to right where you got them right there. Definitely.
What do you think about these? These ain't gonna be more either.
Oh yeah.
But I don't know. They'd be too long or not.
It might be worth a lot of money.
No, I doubt it.
That thing's heavy.
No, I doubt it's not.
Christopher Radpoint. No. Radco by Bell Point. Sweater.
Here's something pretty cool.
Oh, that is pretty.
It's a size small.
Huh. I'm trying to look this sweater up. I don't. Oh no, they don't smell good. Okay. I'll put the sweater back. I'm gonna go downstairs, I think. Unless there's anything else up here. Oh, she's broken, but she's really pretty. Huh. Ooh, this knot.
Oh, it's first floor. Oh, so we got one. Oh, okay, I see.
It's a cute little mug. It's used as a flower arrangement, I guess. Got some artwork here. Oh, that's a bit of money. Alright, friends, we didn't find much at that sale, so now we're going on to the second sale. Let's go see what we can find. What? Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. $7. Oh, radio's gonna get me. I am doing a voiceover on this part because the radio was blaring and I don't want to get a copyright. So this is some of the Delph, the blue and white. I love that stuff. They just had it marked up too high here for reselling. But it's gorgeous. I just love the blue and white. And then here, Mom found some little ornaments. But I believe it's not an ornament. It's actually a little mushroom chalkware wall hanging. And it looks like it would have another one go with it. Just for that one mushroom, it was like $20 to make it 10. So, there again, not a good for reselling. They have some really pretty like bottles and glassware here. They did have a seam on them. And I have heard that a seam that they're not too expensive. But boy, I would not want to ship that. So I really didn't look too much farther into it because they kind of had them priced up. As this particular sale was very expensive. It was 50% off, but it was still expensive. So we're going to go back here in this room. And I think the guy was probably a pharmacist or something because there was tons of like old medicine bottles and like those little, sorry, my dog's grunting, snoring. Those little, what are they called? Where you like make the paste in it. But anyways, they had tons of stuff like that. My dog was just going crazy in the background. I'm sorry. It's crazy. This is like a little condo too, and it's very, very packed. And yeah, see, there's one of those little things. I cannot, mortar? No, I'm not sure what they're called. But anyways, and that little Gone with the Wind set. There's my dad and my mom. She's found some Anye cigarette holder pouches. And the last one that I had listed, it sold within hours of me listing it. So, these particular ones had a little bit of mold on the inside. They're going to have to be cleaned. So, Mom doesn't want to deal with that. So, I bought them. They're $14 each. It would make them, except for that little one, which was cheaper, it'll make them $7 each. And I believe I sold that last one for $40 or $45. So I'm just going to dig through here. And now my cat's up here meowing. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just digging through here to see if we can find any more of the vintage Anye. This is a vintage Brighton purse, but they have this one marked up. I think it was like $45 or something crazy like that. This is just a little eyeglasses pouch, no brand on it. And so I'm just going to grab those Anyes and head on into the next room because people are just, waiting to get in there to look. That's my dad right there. He's not. He's just waiting on me. But, yeah. Just trying to take one little once over. And there's this little corner back here. This cute little pillow. I didn't look much into it because I believe it was $20. 10 half off, but still I think that's a little steep. And it looks like I've got my phone out here to look something up. I think I was looking up one of those little medicine maker things there. Yep, doing the Google search, checking it out. It had a name on it like it might be something, but it is something. But for what they had it priced, somebody had one listed for $30, and I think that's about how much they had it for sale there for. So I just didn't look any further into it after I saw that. It's a pretty picture frame. I do like picking up picture frames from time to time if they are, pretty. There are some brands to look out for, and I'm not really sure exactly. I've got to do some more research on that to see what brands sell for a lot, because I didn't realize there's, along with everything else, there's name brand photo frames. And they give you laundry baskets to shop with here instead of bags, instead of taking your bag in. So that's what I've got in my hand, and it keeps hitting my camera, and I am sorry. But we're going to go in here to the bedroom where my mom is, and she has found a cute little tree skirt. Looks like it's burlap. And it's that perfect, then she looked at the price, $24. Yeah, not a good resale price. Really, that carved Santa thing I got in that basket right there, I paid a little too much for it too. But, sometimes you do have to pay up. So, it all can't be cheap or free. Here is a Toomey purse. And I immediately just throw it in when I see the brand because it's really good. And then here is a little vintage Ralph Lauren canvas bag. And I grab it. These are not priced too bad. So I'm going to say that the Toomey bag I did pay $12 for. And the Ralph Lauren bag I paid $6 for. I'm just looking through these, making sure there's no more. And that's another little Ralph Lauren bag, canvas bag. Ooh, and I decided to just set it down and start digging with both hands, since I am wearing my camera here. What is that canvas bag, Carla? Look at it. Okay, I must have. And now that I've seen that they have these name brands, that makes me want to pay more attention to all of their other stuff. If they're buying quality things. And look at this. Did I not just pick this wreath up 30 minutes ago at the other estate sale, and it was all pinned together and was not even sewn? This one's sewn perfectly. It's amazing. It's a handmade, quilted Christmas wreath. It is country chic, perfect for a cottagey kind of Christmas theme. I'm gonna pick it up. It was, I believe I paid $7 for it, and stuff like that. It's a little dark here for some reason, but stuff like that sells really good on Etsy for me. These are two little handmade, I don't know why it was dark right there for a second. You didn't get to see them. Little handmade people ornaments. They're like little plushy kind of ornaments. I'll pop up a picture. I probably already did, but just goes along with that same theme. I don't know why my camera went dark there. Guess it was trying to adjust. This cute little needlepoint. I always pick up needlepoint. Pillows, anything needlepoint. I always pick it up if it's a reasonable price. And these pillows, I think I paid a reasonable price. I wasn't going crazy there. I'll probably sell those as a set because they're both the same. I'm not sure yet. Just digging for some more. And I don't know if some of you guys know, I wear my camera on my chest. It's not the GoPro, it's the Insta360. And it's like a little magnet necklace that you wear under your shirt, and then it has a magnet and you just stick it on there. And it's black, and I always try to wear like a black colored, dark colored shirt so it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. So if you see me in the mirror, I have some people say how I can't tell that you're even wearing a camera. That's why. It just camouflages easy, but sometimes it gets knocked sideways. I've got a bunch of stuff in my hands. I'm just looking through their shirts here. I'm not a huge fan of selling clothing, but If it sells, I'm going to grab it. If it's something really good. I went through a little spurt where I was wanting to sell a lot of clothes, and then now I'm back out of it. Do you guys do that? Do you go through like your like what you're into selling? Like, you know, I want to focus more on clothing, or I want to focus more on toys, or focus more on antiques, and mine's everything now but clothing. But I have been looking for the vintage like Christmas sweaters and Halloween sweaters, any kind of like that. I've been interested in that, but that's about it. Okay, let's see, what do we have right in here? Wilton, Columbia. Some dishes. No. That's a pretty egg tray, but it's $44. Y'all see it? I think it might be. There's two of them. Make it 22 Arthur Court. That's pretty. I think 22 is too much for it though. For resale. Wilton, Columbia. Okay. Okay, we're in the kitchen. Let's see. This Arthur Court. Yep. How much is it? I don't know. It's cool. $20 though. Ralph Lauren mug? What? Coffee mug's $1. Ooh, I'm getting that one. And this one. There's two of them. Bartlett.
What's the chances, Carter? You ever seen a coffee cup and then journaled on it?
I know.
You them old?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get them for $2.
Where'd you find those at?
Went in here in the garage.
Look at these Ralph Lauren mugs.
I didn't even see them. That's when I didn't see them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get these.
Nana rushes through. That's cool. World's greatest mother. Ooh, I like those.
I got them right here. That's our look at them coffee cups. We looked at them.
That's a resort.
Yeah.
Actually, Alaska. I live in Korea. Okay, I have to do another voiceover on this part because of the radio, but I'm still just looking at the mugs here in the kitchen utensils just to see if I can find anything else. All right, here, let's see. Yes, please.
Okay, we got a name.
Carla.
Carla. Okay, is that with a C or a K?
See.
C? All right. Well, let me drop those copies here.
Thank you. What to scan it? Okay, over here I found this Sunsilk Thermashine. It honestly looks like it might be a little bit older. I'm not sure. But I did scan it and it sells for about $18 and this is $2. So I am going to get it. It's like a detangling shine spray. 24 karat shine. Turn on the heat. So it must be, yeah, it's a heat protector also. So yeah, I am going to pick this up since it is just $2. We're going to head on out of here, guys. This is going to be it for today. Thanks for coming along with us. If you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a comment below. And always, thank you so much. We appreciate you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye, friends.